Well, yung yung implementation ng warrant is an operation of law. No? It's not about revenge or anything. It is about law enforcement. Okay? Ang una nating tingnan dapat dyan, kung ang warrant ba ay valid, yan ba ay pwedeng i-enforce, at ang agency ba na task mag-enforce niyan ay may capability or may personalidad na i-enforce. So, hanggang doon na ang pagtingin ko dyan. And siguro, isang tanong nyo, it can be done in various ways. Pero ang isa sa mga pinaka-importante dyan is dialogue. Siyempre, kung ma-enforce naman yan ng walang gulo, walang alingas na, that would be the better way. And if it is kailangang mandatory yung pag-enforce, it should be disciplined, it should be controlled, and it should be always cognizant of the human rights of everybody. At ang bottom line, dapat ang community ay hindi naabala.